After this, we have an option to set up the close message format. This is where you decide what kind of message should be sent whenever a trade gets closed. So, whenever a trade is closed, you can set a keyword here, like close, or any custom keyword you want, and that keyword will be used to trigger the message. Once the keyword is set, you'll see several options you can include in the message. First, you can select the symbol, meaning which pair's trade was closed. Then you can choose the trade type, whether it was a buy or a sell. You can also add the close price. After that, you can include the reason why the trade was closed, like manual, take profit, or stop loss. And if you want, you can go deeper and include more technical details in the message. The trade's volume, a custom comment, magic number, ticket ID, order ID, and position ID, and even the profit or loss amount, along with any extra charges. For now, I'm keeping things simple in my setup. Whenever a trade gets closed, I want the message to include just these things: keyword, close, the symbol where the trade was closed, type, whether it was buy or sell, the close price, and the reason it was closed, like take profit, stop loss, or manual. Once you're done with these settings, just click OK and your message format will be saved. Now click on the Start Sending button. As soon as we click on the Start Sending button, our software will automatically open MetaTrader-5. So here, our MetaTrader-5 has opened. After that, when we close any trade, a message for that also comes to our Telegram chat. Like if I closed a trade manually, then the close message appears here. The message comes in the same format that we had set. It shows the close keyword, then which symbol's trade was closed, at what price it was closed, and also the reason, like it was closed manually. If the trade gets closed due to take profit or stop loss, then the reason shown will be take profit or stop loss. Now, in our trade, we have kept both take profit and stop loss. If we move the stop loss closer to the trade, and it gets hit and the trade closes, the reason will say stop loss. As you saw, our trade got closed after hitting the stop loss, so the close message shows the reason as stop loss. Similarly, if the trade gets closed by hitting take profit, then the reason will show take profit. As you can see, I've set the take profit here, and as soon as the market hits it, the trade will close and the message will say the reason is take profit. As shown here, our trade got closed by take profit, so the message also says the trade was closed by take profit. In the same way, whatever the reason, manual, stop loss, or take profit, it will be shown in the message so that you know why your trade was closed.